Welcome back to Lucas Science YouTube channel. Today we are in 81 day of the national course and 22 day of the data test presentation of students on YouTube channel. And today they taught about how simple revision study methods there and in miscellaneous topics of programming foundation, shifts, scopes and namespaces, state and local variable, global variable, and built-in variables, built-in local scope, global scope, and built-in scopes. Built-in scope is basically can be accessed to the problem without any difficulty. Global variables can be accessed to the problem defining the variable on the top of the function call or the function or at the start. Global variables are the variables which are defined inside a function of particular class or normal function which is presented, which can be accessed within that function or can be accessed outside. And in here IDs codes local variables from inner to outer equals local variable, global variable, and built-in namespace. And arrows and assumptions being taught. Here MCQ secured beautiful. You can check it. Check it on the video. Here also 100 by 28. And then communist basic MCQs and assessment and secured good marks. 24 out of 30. Here sector 27 for assessment, and here 24. Let's go to and then there are simple revisions. Let's check the marks for here. Turn out 10 here. In assessment, I have used 2 marks.